everyone, how are you? My name is Falesha Raquel and I'm out here with my partner Koko. We're out in Fredericton and you know what? We have this latest listing that I want to feature. If you like water activities, guys, I know a lot of you are looking for affordable investments. A lot of you are looking for affordable housing. A lot of you are looking for a place just to come with your family during the summer or even the winter months and have some winter activities. This is the perfect opportunity for you. Check out this beautiful lake. Now, Koko, tell us a little bit about this property and the area. I know this is like, you know, the place that you're from. You're from Fredericton, right?
I'm originally from Japan, but I've been here since 2008. And this waterfront lake, this is called Yoho Lake, and this is a prime waterfront location in Fredericton. It is only like a 20 to 30 minutes drive from downtown Fredericton. It's so close. It's so calm. Everyone wants to get into this community.
Now, I'm a woman who loves boating. I have a boat myself, so this is so appealing to me. I love that, and I know a lot of our friends watching, they love it as well. So let's go inside. Let's take a look at this cottage. So follow us along this journey, and we're going to be answering any questions that you guys have. You can always DM and get a hold of us. So let's take it away. Let's go inside. Let's go. So come on in, and you'll notice you have the kitchen over here to your left. Beautiful, you know, waterfront. So it's perfect. You can even consider Airbnb-ing this. Now, this is something that we actually do manage as well. Over here, we do have a bedroom. And then we have the bathroom over here. So it's just a perfect size for you and your family just as a getaway, you know. Is there anything else that you want to maybe add in regards to this area, Koko?
Well, you can easily add one more bedroom right here. And also, this is an all-season around house. You can live here all year round.
Perfect. So it's not just like coming here during the summer months and you got to kind of close up shop for the winter time. So this is great.
Yeah.
So guys, for this property in particular, if you want information on this one or properties like this one out here in Fredericton that are waterfront, please connect with us. My name is Falesha Raquel, 647-888-7772, and this is Koko. And this is my partner out here, guys. So if there's any information that you need, please do not hesitate. You can even DM me. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.